Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3. We'll be present about the industrial visit report. Our group member is Amirul Iezlan bin Ismail, Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Suhaimi, and me, Muhammad Hairie bin Rohalin, Muhammad Rafie bin Bahrin, and Nurul Nadia Najwa binti Ramlan. Now I will present about the introduction. To achieve high quality, construction companies must be create and maintain a quality management system QMS that identify both internal and external risks. An effective QMS requires documentation and auditing process and continual improvement of the system. To be more experienced and knowledge about quality management, an industrial visit has been done and it was located at Feda Palm Industry Sdn Bhd, Kilang Sawit Penggeli, 81440 Bandar Tenggara, Johor, on 19 June 2023. The industrial visit was organized by the student from BDJ 31003, Plant Engineering and Quality Management. Students that involved in this visit is about 20 students and 3 lecturers to guide a student at Kilang Sawit, Penggeli.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Iezlan bin Ismail and my number metric is DD200112. Today I will present about the problem statement of our industrial visit report and our objective in this report. Okay, so first the problem statement. The management that has been conducted at Felda Palm Industry already has its effectiveness since they can control their quality of production very well. But on the other hand, the quality management of the industry has the potential to be improvised so that can result in a better quality of production. Next, moving to the next slide, I will present about the objective of this report, industrial visit report. So first objective is to explore the quality control measures and management practice in the crude palm oil industry, and the second objective is to identify the possible improvement in quality and management for the crude palm oil industry.
Next is literature review. Earlier evolution of TQM focused on manufacturing and production industry more than in service industries. However, the high level of competition and the rise in service industry share increase the need for TQM in service from Juneja 2011. From TQM implementation approach, service somehow are different from products. The intangibility of service creates measurement problem, while dependency on customer evaluation leads firms to be customer-led. Lenka, Sua, and Mohd 2010 assert that TQM practice service firms are different from manufacturing firms. Manufacturing organizations vary from service organization in process, operation, products, features, and customer leadership. Manufacturing organizations focus on this process and product quality, while service organizations focus more on customer satisfaction. In manufacturing firm, training is more important, especially training in advanced skills method, statistical methods. In service firm, training focus communication and interpersonal skill.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good days to Dr. Zulazura. My name is Mohammad Hakim bin Suhaimi. For the next part, I would like to present about a research methodology. Okay, first we begin from the start. After that, we go to visit AFP ISP Kilang Sawit Penggeli, and we go to gap analysis for identifying the workflow and work design improvement. There are 4. First, identify ergonomic challenge. Second, cause of ergonomic challenge. Third, effect of ergonomic. And lastly, implement of the ergonomic solution. After that, we go the determining the optimum workflow, design improvement, and we go to improvement. This stage have a to answer. If no, we go back to gap analysis for identifying the workflow and work design. If yes, we go on to report writing and go to and okay, for the next slide, I would like to present about a research setup of the workflow and work design improvement in this research. First, we beginning from the start. After that, we go to identify ergonomic challenge. Second, cost ergonomic challenge. Third, effect of economics. Fourth, implement of the economic solution. And lastly, we go to and
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will present the result for this project. Number 1, grading. It is assessing the quality of the fruit bunches. It is recommended the specialized staff from the mill can be assigned to take a sample of fruit bunches. For example, 10% of the bunches for examining process to assess the quality of the fruit bunches. Number 2, sterilization. It is to expand the moist in the nuts. High pressure steam is recommended for sterilization to cause the warm water, which is the moisture in the nuts, to expand. Next, for threshing, it is to separate palm fruit from the bunches. It is recommended to use strong vibration to make separation of palm fruit from palm bunches efficiently. Digestion. Digestion destroys evocap of palm fruit. It is recommended to run the digesting process under high temperature to destroy the evocap of palm fruit, disrupt the oil cells, and reduce the viscosity of the oil. Warming is important in this process in order to maximize oil extraction. And lastly, for safety, slippery floor. So it is recommended to make sure that the cleanliness of the workspace is in the best condition. This is important because slippery workstation may cause danger to the worker or the visitor. Weak railing. Make sure that the railing that is already swaying and rusted can be replaced with a new one or tightened with screw, bolt or nuts so that the existing railing can be used firmly. This is important because weak railing may cause workers or visitors to fall from high places that can cause danger. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad Rafie bin Bahrin. My matric number is DD200115 and I will talk about the discussion from our industrial visit report. From the grading process, in order to acquire higher manufacturing efficiency and quality, each workstation has to be improved. The design of each workstation can be examined and redesigned, which might end up being beneficial. We acknowledge that the layout factory can be improved in a variety of ways. To improve the grading process, specialized staff from the mill can be assigned to take a sample of fruit bunches, for example, 10% of the bunches for examining process to assess the quality of the fruit bunches. Poor quality fruit bunches, for example, bunches that are unripe or very small, are given a deduction, usually in kilogram, because they produce less oil. For the sterilization process, the sterilization or cooking station of palm oil mill is a process to loosen fruit by use of high temperature wet heat treatment. The difference between cooking and sterilization is that cooking uses hot water, whereas sterilization involves the use of pressurized steam. To improve the sterilization process, high pressure steam is recommended for sterilization to cause the warm air moisture in the nuts to expand. Reducing the pressure causes contraction of the nut and detachment of the kernel within their shells. For the threshing process, threshing is the process whereby bunch is thrown on the revolving beater shaft Due to the action of beater, entire bunch is thrown up and is allowed to fall again and again on the revolving beaters. Thus, palm fruit are spirited and fall down through the screen, which are collected by the bottom conveyor and is taken out from the outlet. The fruits are spirited from bunches in a rotating drum. To improve the threshing process, it is strongly recommended to use strong vibration to make separation of palm fruit from palm bunches efficiently. For the digestion process, the purpose of digestion in palm oil processing plant is to rupture the oil-bearing cells of fruit and release the palm oil. The digester is a steam-heated cylindrical vessel. In the digester, there is a central rotating shaft carrying a number of beater arms which are used to pound the fruit. In order to achieve higher productivity, it is strongly recommended to run the digesting process under high temperature to destroy the exocarp of palm fruit, disrupt the oil cell, and reduce the viscosity of the oil. Warming is important in this process in order to maximize the oil extraction. In terms of safety, first and foremost, they need to make sure that the cleanliness of the workspace is in best condition. This is important because slippery workstation may cause danger to the worker or visitor. Secondly, make sure that the railing that is already swaying and rusted can be replaced with a new one or tightened with screw, bolt or nut so that the existing railing can be used firmly. This is important because weak railing may cause worker or visitor to fall from high places. And for the conclusion, we may draw the conclusion that the project success is entirely dependent on what we have learned from our experience studying line balancing and time measurement in class based on the information collected from the site visit project. Based on the result of the analysis, the project's overall goal has been met. We chose to use the knowledge we obtained about quality management to our project scope by reducing the time study or time frame, minimizing the number of stations in queue balancing, and improving the layout. The major goal of this project is to make the machine factory layout better. The industrial visit also aid in our understanding of the step taken in producing crude palm oil. By doing it, we are able to have a deeper understanding of the process flow, concentration, technology use, and improvement that have already been made, and those that can be made to raise the production and management quality. That's all from me. Thank you.